10 things to do on a daily basis to be more organized. Leave your keys, wallet, cell phone, headphones, and other such accessories you carry day in and day out, in the same place every single time you walk through the door. Have a spot in your entryway or entrance for these items so you are never running around, late for work, wondering where your keys and phone are hiding. Make a new to-do list every day based on the previous day's list and anything that came up since the last list was created. Even if you're not a big list maker and only jot down the big projects, look at it every day and cross off what you've completed or what you've deemed no longer relevant. Not only will this help keep you on top of your tasks, but it will also make you feel productive when you cross off that item after it's been completed. Do a quick scan of your checking and savings accounts. Keeping an eye on your financial accounts allows you to see what you spent the previous day so spending doesn't get out of control. It also allows you to notice fraudulent charges as soon as they happen. Plus, looking at your savings puts you in the right frame of mind each morning to continue saving. A small, pocket-sized notebook, yes, you read that right, is essential to an organized life. Use this to write down items for your shopping list, errands, to-dos, and random thoughts, and carry it with you everywhere you go. It's endlessly portable, user-friendly, and never needs recharging. You never know when you'll need to quickly jot something down, like upcoming events, shopping lists, any notes you want to remember, the money you've spent, or a running to-do list to accomplish. Organizing your wallet is one of the best, quickest, and easiest organizing projects to instill as a daily habit. Tackle this one whenever you have some downtime, like sitting on a train or in front of the TV on a weeknight. Check with your meal plan either every single day or every few days to make sure you're still on track. Daily is best, because then it becomes a habit, and you can update it as necessary while you also look at your calendar. Laying things out beforehand makes you feel more orderly and efficient. There is no time that is more critical than in the morning when you're rushing to get yourself, and possibly others, ready for school or work. That's why we recommend laying your clothing out the night before. It saves you time in the morning from staring into your closet wondering what you should wear. Much like laying out your clothes, prepping your foyer or launchpad area is going to make you feel good about getting out the door quickly the next morning. Have a plan of what you need to get done and when you're going to check those action items off your to-do list. Sticking to a routine helps to automate tasks that need to get done, whether you dread them or not, because doing something every single day will make your brain happy and help to create good habits. Many people will tell you to make your bed every morning to start your day off right. And you should. Studies have shown this helps calm people down and sets a positive tone for the day. There's another way for you to feel more organized and a lot less cluttered: do the dishes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.